They everything full. I gotta get some good. So what I'll do, I'll just wait for this one to move. You hear me?
So we go in there and get some nice chocolates.
I tell you what, Marks, Mississippi, this mug just met you now.
That boy, baby dragon.
Wow, that was man. Alright, let me go ahead and pump this together. She looking at the light. What you doing here? They looking at the bikers. Telling me that dog woman been at that dog thing. Had done it for like 30 minutes. Get up out of here before I get mad. Alright, cat daddies. We got to get right back here in this doggone store. Because it looks like it's going to rain. So we're going to call the trip short. Well, we're gonna stop here. Get some goddamn McDonald's. We're here in the Mars Next Guinness. Alrighty, people, we done got this meal. About to get ready to head on back to the house. So, according to the Weather Channel, the rain's actually supposed to hit our house. It's actually gonna miss Clarksdale, but it's gonna hit us. So, I don't want to be out here on this road when it does. We're gonna head on back to the house. Channel got it. Please, we got it. Woo! Nobody did anything stupid, but I'm backing up. Alright, now I'm good. Big oops. Alright, about time to do a little night passing. Get on around her. Yeah, buddy.
With the new Chase Inc. business.
God dang, how many freaking commercials it got?
1.5% cash back
It hasn't been 30 minutes.
So simple
I
you
watched
don't
that
even have
earlier.
to think about it. So think about opening your shop early.
I got plans. See, I beat the system. I don't know what this is though. No, I'm gonna skip this.
Yeah, turn the freaking lights off. It's over.